everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are back once again to our YouTube channel and आज की वीडियो होगी हमारा लेक्चर 2 ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चरल इम्प्लीमेंट्स। तो ये जो था हमारा चैप्टर जिसका हमने पहला जो टॉपिक दैट वाज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल, दैट वाज आवर कंप्लीटेड एंड दिस इज़ अ चैप्टर नेम इज़ क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट। जिनको नहीं पता है इसके बारे में, इसके कौन कौन प्रैक्टिसेस थे, इसके कितने प्रैक्टिसेस, उसके बारे में जो हमारा फर्स्ट था प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल, तो उसकी वीडियोस ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने लिंक दी हुई है, तो आप वहाँ से जा कर के डायरेक्ट वो वीडियो देख सकते हो। तो हमने लेक्चर 1 में यहाँ तक कंप्लीट कर लिया था। सो आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं अबाउट द एग्रीकल्चरल इम्प्लीमेंट्स। Okay, so before we start this, let's talk about कि हम आज की वीडियो में कितना कवर करेंगे। हम ट्राई करने वाले हैं कि आज की ये सोविंग पार्ट के टिल यहाँ तक कंप्लीट हो जाए, वो भी एकदम फटाफट से कंप्लीट करने का। और इट इज़ द चैप्टर बिग इनफ, तो हम ट्राई करेंगे इसको कि ज़्यादा ये टाइम भी ना हो, लिमिट टाइम हो और ये फटाफट से कंप्लीट हो जाए। चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। So let's just read out this paragraph and then I will explain you clearly. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break soil to the size of grain to get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. The main tool used for this purpose are the plug, hoe and cultivator. So in this some tools are given only. just आपको वो ध्यान देना है कि जब हम लोग जो सीड्स को जब सो करने जाएंगे उससे पहले जो सीड्स में उसको पहले हमें देखना होगा कि उसके ग्रेन के साइज़ में हो या ना हो। उसको करने के लिए कोई टूल यूज़ होगा, तो यहाँ पे 3 टूल मेंशन किए हैं, दैट इज़ प्लग, हो एंड कल्टीवेटर। तो हम ये 3 टूल के बारे में अभी पढ़ेंगे। सो लेट्स सी द प्लग। दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट वन। Okay, so this is our first one. This is being used since ancient times for tilling the soil, adding fertilizers to the crop, removing the weeds, scraping of soil, etc. तो आप भी इसे ऐसे रीड करके देखना, क्योंकि प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी आपका करेक्ट होना चाहिए। उसके लिए डिफरेंट वीडियोस तो आएगी ही, लेकिन जब आप इसको रीड करोगे तो आपको खुद भी समझ आएगा क्लियरली। ओके, so in this only just it is mentioned that in ancient time people used to use this tool for tilling the soil, also for the adding the fertilizer to the crop. Second thing, it is given that it is also used for the removing the weeds and the scraping of soil. Now in this next is given that this implement is made up of some material which is known by the wood, and it is drawn how. So a pair of bulls are needed or other animals are needed. You had already seen, so you can see this one. So pair of bulls are needed here, and also a wood is needed to carry out this plugging method. Next it is given that it contains a strong triangular iron strip called plug share. So this whole thing you should highlight it so that you must remember. So you can see this is somehow a triangular shape. Okay, so it is like this. So it is also called plug share. The main part of the plug is a long log of wood, which is long log of wood, this one, which is this in this shape, and it is used this one. Okay, here it is already mentioned, so just see out this figure, so you will get to understand more about it. So here we learn about the plug shaft. There is a handle at one of the end of the shaft. The other end is attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. So this is the beam which is placed upon the bull's neck. This you can see it. Next is given that the one pair of bulls and a man can easily operate the plug. Okay, so one pair of bulls and the man can easily operate with the plugs. The indigenous wooden plug is increasingly being replaced by iron plug nowadays. So this is replaced by the iron plugs nowadays. Next is the tool talk here about the hoe. Here also the hoe, it is already given. You can see this figure also. In this you will understand it about that. Let's read out the paragraph. It is a simple tool which is used for the same method, that is removing of weeds and loosening the soil. It is a long rod of wood or iron. Here it is mentioned about the his tool, so you should know about it. Okay, it is a long rod of wood or the iron. A strong, broad, and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its end and works like a blade. Okay, it works as like a blade. You can see here, right? You can easily see here. This is called a bent plate. Next, it is pulled by the animals, right? It is also pulled by the animals. Cultivator, it is simple. Using the tractor we used to. We had already seen how this cultivator works. Nowadays, plugging is done by tractor driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. It is the same thing. What is the work of a hoe and plug, but what is the extra benefit of using it is it saves the labor and time. Always remember it. It could be asked in your exam that why it is benefited from the use of cultivator instead of hoe and plug. You can mention this point and easily get your marks. So next is given sowing. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy seeds of a good variety. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. In this paragraph, nothing to understand more. You can understand that this is the most important part of a crop production. It is how it is done. So here is given that the good quality seeds are selected from that are clean and that are also healthy for and also a good variety of them. So they use these seeds for the yield. Now we are given, you know only that who is this girl Paheli and Bhujo given in this chapters. So here it is asked that one day I saw my mother put some grain seed in a vessel and pour some water on them. After a few minutes, some seeds started to float on top. I wonder why some seeds float on top. So this is your homework of today. I want this answer in the comment section. I hope you will answer it. Okay, this is the question that why some seeds float on water. Okay, I want this answer in the comment section so you can answer me if you know about it. Now see, here it is given about the types of the tools used for sowing. We would be learning about these things in our next lecture. For today, this is already completed and there is a big chapter. You can see in this there is too much left to learn. We would be fastly completing it as much we can. Also, there is a new thing coming up that other subjects also I am going to take it, or especially the maths. So I would like you would be enjoying it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Press the like button. Also subscribe my channel. Do press the bell icon to receive all the notifications of my videos, and comment down the answers which I am asking you, the questions which I am asking you. I would be seeing everyone's comment. Also, if your comment will be there, then I would be taking the name also of yours. So do it right now only. And that's for today. I hope you like it. So thanks for watching.